This episode is sponsored by Dutch Boy Paint. We believe in you, your creativity, your spirit.
Now, Brent, I know deck prep's not the most exciting part of any project, but tell us again, why is it so essential to get the perfect foundation?
We have a gorgeous deck, and the most important part is that foundation. We have concrete and then our Simpson strong tie base plates that attach to those footings that then attach to our posts, then our beam, then our joists, and of course our deck. And that is so important because if you don't have a quality foundation, your deck is never going to last.
I'm all about making things built to last, right?
That's right.
It's perfect. So, Brent, deck is absolutely beautiful. And wouldn't you say, the stainless steel cables, it took a little bit of extra time, but doesn't it really elevate the space?
It absolutely does. This cable bullet system did take a little extra time, but that time really pays off in the end, especially when considering you're in hurricane area in this general space. It absolutely looks gorgeous and it will hold for a very long time.
That's right. And no matter where you are, the cable bullet system is perfect for all weather anywhere.
That's right.
Perfect. So, Brent, here's 2 fun facts about me. I hate dishes and I hate cooking, but if I have to do it in this space, I might be able to get on board with it.
Well, that's why we make such a beautiful team, because I love cooking and I can actually build you this beautiful outdoor kitchen. We have our amazing cabinets from Weatherstrong, our beautiful countertops from Caesarstone, and of course our Syncology sink. And this combination is beautiful and will hold up to intense weather.
True, I love it. I'll take a filet mignon.
Order up.
Now, Brent, you know my 2 favorite things, DIY and building furniture, so it's no secret that the furniture episode, it's kind of my favorite here.
Unbelievable. We built a beautiful outdoor table. We have an amazing bar cart and 2
lounge chairs.
Incredible. And thanks to our friends at Craig Jig, this was actually possible in a very short amount of time. They have an amazing array of products to choose from a very beginner DIYer to a very advanced woodworker. Amazing.
Facts, and I just love it. It's a beautiful element to this space.
Unbelievable, gorgeous. Can't wait to use them again.
Me too. So, Brent, how do you feel about our social oasis from Tiki Tops?
It's incredible. Look at this plappa and this view. It survived a hurricane and everything while we were building it. Unbelievable. Our countertops are absolutely beautiful. Our cabinets,
stunning.
Amazing. Appliances, electrical, plumbing, everything came together absolutely beautiful. And now we have a perfect place to invite all of our friends.
That's right. So let's get to that drink.
Let's do it.
Bo, do you like your new space as much as we do?
I think it is one truly beautiful transformation. From what it was before to what it is now, absolutely gorgeous, and make sure that it's actually graded away from your house, especially with those Florida rains.
Yeah, and I don't know what he's looking up at, but I promise eventually he's going to look down and love it. Right, Bo? It's Bo.
Fetch. Rachel, every paint project is different, and this was quite a unique endeavor. We have these walls that are extremely textured, but we have a very smooth surface above. That's where Purdy came into play, and it was extremely helpful because they have very heavy matte rollers to get into all these tight-knit crevices, and of course very smooth ones above.
Yeah, and I gotta say, I love that we brought in that touch of Southern charm with these blue ceilings, because of course, as that tradition goes, we're gonna hope that those ghosts go straight up to the sky and not head on inside.
The client will be much appreciated for that one.
So, Brent, how cool is it that we were able to leave behind this little nugget of a surprise for our owners?
It's truly remarkable how many sponsors actually helped us with this endeavor. From Johnson Level to Metabo, Purdy, Haltiforce, and PowerPro, they made huge differences to actually make this a reality. And thanks to Wall Control, we have an amazing organization that hopefully they keep clean.
So true. So not only have we transformed the space behind, but we've also left behind some tools, so hopefully they maintain it.
Love it.
Oh, hey!
Well, gang, this was quite the project, but we did it. How do you feel?
Pretty dang good.
Yes, Pat, yes. You always look good. Cheers to
That.
Woo!
Thanks for watching, and remember, in any project that you do, it's all about having the right tool, doing it together, and doing it for yourself.